Warning, get ready for some very, very light spoilers. It's pretty much confirmed that Darth Vader will be returning to the big screen in this December's Star Wars Rogue One. And it's hard to imagine anybody other than James Earl Jones voicing our favorite Sith Lord. And it's good to hear that the film will bring Darth Vader back because it makes perfect sense for Vader to come back. It takes place shortly before A New Hope. It takes place at the height of the Empire, having completed the Death Star and having, from what the trailer tells us, the implanted super weapon that destroys planets and whatnot. One of the things that we're fairly certain about is that Vader will not be the main villain of this movie. However, it would be dumb for Lucasfilm and Disney to put this movie out without giving him at least several minutes of screen time, and without, more importantly, having him and his shadow looming over the film. I don't think that it's necessary to have Darth Vader in every scene of the movie, interacting with every character, but a couple of scenes here and there showing the might of the Dark Lord of the Sith would be absolutely fantastic. But then I wonder, will they show him fighting? I think they should show him fighting at least once, because a lot of fans are really interested in seeing what happens after Force Awakens, and obviously this movie does not take place after Force Awakens, so what other reason to draw in the casual audience than to have Darth Vader in the movie doing something of importance? In fact, I'm going to predict right here that the next Rogue One trailer will most likely end with a shot, albeit a brief shot, of Darth Vader doing something cool, or maybe just breathing. Maybe the breathing is enough to get people hooked. A lot of people have also speculated that Vader is the mysterious cloaked individual bowing down in the Rogue One teaser. However, I'm very skeptical of this. In fact, I'm going to right now just go out and say that it's not Vader, mostly because Vader wore a cape, but not a cloak, at least not after the mechanical implants. When he was Anakin Skywalker, he obviously did wear a cloak, but Vader never really wore a hood over his face, so to speak, or over his head. So I don't think that's him, but there's of course been speculation about who that could be. Could it be one of Vader's pupils? Could it be a new villain? I'm pretty sure it is because we see the Imperial Guards around him, but I don't think it is Vader. So I want to do this video to pose a question to the Star Wars community and to my subscribers. Are you excited about seeing Vader in this film, and how would you fit Vader in? Do you think Vader should be kicking all kinds of ass, or do you think he should have a more subdued role, or do you think it should just be made a cameo? Let me know down below, and thank you for watching.
Lord Freezer demands that you subscribe to this channel and follow Mr. Geekdom on these social media platforms.